Hey, hi everyone. This side Nico.dev. I am a full stack blockchain and solidity engineer. Today, I'm really excited to present Lumora, our RWA plus digital assets oracle built on Botchain. The idea behind Lumora is pretty simple, bringing real worlds as well as digital assets prices on chain in a way that protocols can actually trust and consume this data. The idea is like, so let's start with the problem, like why we are building the Lumora oracle. Basically, the first statement is like, this is the first oracle that is on Botchain, and currently Botchain is very much like active in the RWA side. So it supports around 106 feeds, which has like around natural gas. If you click on view live feeds, you will find out like what feeds they have supported. Crypto we have, energy we have equities, FX, indices, metals, treasury. I think it's supported 150 plus assets where you can fetch all the details directly from the smart contract. So DeFi already knows like how to work with crypto native assets like BTC and ETH. But what happens when a smart contract needs a price of WTI, gold, silver, natural gas, foreign currencies, stocks, or indices? That data exits outside the chain. But if we simply push that data on chain and we need to answer one important question, why should a smart contract trust that price, right? That's exactly what Lumora solves. So before going to the like demo part, we will go to the architecture first. So why like you have to trust on Lumora? Because Lumora use the multi-source aggregation tool, and there are two contracts, which is commodity consumer as well as commodity oracle. Like multi-source aggregation use the algorithm that is medium or TWAP calculation for calculating the exact price. Let's say if some price is getting $26.6 and something is $20.7 and something around $23.7, then we will use the medium or TWAP algorithm to make it a calculation, and then we will use the push and pull model of the oracle, which is basically an Lumora basic oracle model that is push and pull. First we will push all the data and we take a median of that, then we'll the consumer will use the pull model to take out the on-chain verification of the smart contract with the price. So this is our simple flow fetch commodities as well as the RWA data APIs. And this is the broader view of Oracle, with we are using the metals, energy, and RWA as well as the common assets that we use directly into the any application that is entirely built on the Botchain. So Lumora is an on-chain oracle that you already seen, and it provides you all the RWA assets as well as the digital assets on Botchain, whether you are doing the testnet or you are doing the mainnet. If you click on the assets, it will show you all the assets, digital assets with the price. If you click on the Bitcoin, it will show you the Bitcoin's history also, like when is the data is fetching. Yeah, this is the feed ID. And if you directly go to the docs, these are the verified contract that are on the Botchain mainnet. So we have a deployment on Botchain mainnet. If you click on this, it will open the contract itself, go to the contract, read and write function. If you go that, click on prices, paste your feed ID, read the contract, you will find out the price of the Bitcoin. That's how it's easy to make and get call on the smart contract directly on testnet as well as the mainnet also. If you go directly on the feeds also, you can find out any of the natural gas, crypto, energy, equities. Let's say I'm clicking on Apple Incorporation, then it will give me the feed ID on testnet as well as the mainnet. Copy this ID, go on to this, click on read, it will give you to fetch the price of the Apple USD. That's how it's easy to get RWA, crude oil, Brent oil, copper, any of the like any asset that are present lively on the internet. You will find out all the price feed of that directly from the on-chain itself. So there are the assets there, like 4,767 assets directly from here, like Ethereum, Arbitrum, Polygon, AlphaZero, Algorand, Aptos, Silo, any token you want feed directly on chain, you will get it. How to interact with that, we will see in the docs part also. If you go to the data sets, you will find out all the data sets here. These are the broader view, like how Lumora Oracle will work. And if you go to the docs, you will find out how you can integrate. So if for the quick start, you can directly make it into the hardnet, because we have a commodity Oracle already deployed on testnet and mainnet. If you click on on-chain, you will find out how you can interact with this on-chain. Click on testnet and click on any of the contract itself. You will find out the contract functionality, update commodity price, get latest price, set Oracle signer. Right now the Oracle signer is 1, because we have already implemented the actions also that are giving some actions which updating the Oracle feeds in minute, and like in 1 minute. So you can see that all the oracles are updated in 1 minute. So that's how our feeds are also updated. And this is where like we have implemented, so that if you are building around RWA product or DeFi product or any of the product on the Botchain, and you want an oracle, because oracle is a necessity to build and decentralized application, right? So Lumora is the best oracle right now to use on Botchain. And yeah, it's live on testnet and mainnet. That's the main part. Like Lumora is live on mainnet. You can try out on mainnet. You can try out on testnet also for any of the feed, and build different kinds of application on Botchain and moving this ecosystem great, because this is an infrastructure product. So I think most of the devs can try it and give us some input also. Right now it's free to use. There is no limit on the throughput also. There is no limit on the data feeds. You can try any of the data feeds. Thank you, and try it on mainnet also. Thank you and have a nice day.